Om Bhumne Namaha. Bhumne Namaha. Bhuma. Bhuma eva sukham. Bhuma means infinite. Infinite alone there can be bliss, joy. Bhuma eva sukham. Bhuma eva sukham. Bhuma means infinite. But a Bhuma, how do I understand? It's very difficult to appreciate infinite. So, watch. See me. See my hands. Bhu ma. Bhu ma. Ma bhu means what? Ma don't. Bhu, don't boo. Don't boo others. Not bhu. Bhu. Bhu means bhavati. Becoming. Never became. Never born. Never came. Never born. Unborn. That's called bhuma. Infinite cannot be born. What is born is finite. How can infinite be born? From where? Into what? So, that which is unborn is called infinite. Bhuma eva sukham. When did all your tragedies and sorrows and pains start? When did your sorrow start? After birth. Your birth before labor pain onwards started. Mom screaming, baby screaming, screamo scream. Birth pains. All pains from birth. Imagine if you are not born. Joy, oh joy. Isn't it? If you are born, sorrows. If you are not born, if you are unborn, no pains, no sorrows. If you think you are born, you must die. If you are born, sorrows. If you are born, you must die. There is no choice. Anybody wants to die? Nobody wants to die, but they want to go to heaven. How can you go to heaven without dying? So, if you are born, you must die. If the sun rises, the sun must set. And if the sun sets, it must rise again. No choice. So if you think you are born, you must die. And if you think you are going to die, you will be born again. No choice. Sunrise. If the sun rises, it must set. But does the sun really rise? Does the sun really set? Sun never rose. Sun never sets. Do you know that? Is it true? Sun never rose, never sets? If you don't know, keep quiet. Don't advertise ignorance. Isn't it? It appears. So too, you are never born. Consciousness is unborn. What you are conscious of is born. You are conscious of your BMI. That is born. The moment you wake up, you are born. But if you realize, I never sleep, I never slept, and I never wake up. Imagine. I never wake up because I never slept. Consciousness never sleeps. Mind wakes up, mind goes to sleep. So I woke up. If you wake up, then you have to sleep. If you are born, you must die. No choice. So, birth means sorrows. Now winter is coming. Those who come from next week, are we closing the door for latecomers? From November, they can go straight to Annapurna. But it will be very cold outside, so cold in the winter. Especially children and all, they have to go to school early morning. How the parents, Panchakosha, they start wrapping. 5 layers of clothes. Wrap, or bundled up. And final with the hood also. Once the hood is put, then the child, Mom, I want to go to restroom. Mom gets so, go to daddy. Or daddy gets, go to mommy. That's it. What to do? And one day, one mom told her husband, one day can you bring the child back from school? Because I have a doctor's appointment. Please bring the child back. Father said, yeah, sure. Even he brought the child. And he removed all the Panchakoshas. When he removed the Panchakoshas, he found some other child. And the child, Hari Om uncle, the child also said, Chinmaya Mission. Well, the child thought my dad must have told that dad to uncle, or her uncle. Immediately then he remembered that, oh, you're that uncle. Then he called, and that person had same equal like this style. He took his son there. Both were calling at the same time, so both went into message. Then they checked the message and said, okay, what we'll do is, we'll bring them, we'll meet in Chinmaya Mission. And then we'll exchange the child. And whoever comes early, go to Swamiji. My prarabdha. This is what bundled up. Poor children, house, sorrow. All sorrow because you thought you are born. So if you think you are born into the body, pains of the body is yours. Sorrows of the mind is yours. Depressions of the intellect is yours. No choice, because I am born into it. I am unborn. One who realizes that. So Bhuma, when it is said, infinite, all that we think objectively. A wise person, realized master says, Bhuma aham. I am Bhuma. I am that infinite consciousness. Unborn. That realization. What you are conscious of is born. That which illumines birth and death is unborn. Death is only a change. That which illumines the realm of change is changeless, birthless, infinitude. So, Bhumaham. Om Bhumne Namaha.